Yes, yes. Actually, my name is Dipali Wagle. I reside at Thane, and I have been working as a senior tax associate in a MNC company. So, yeah. My issue was like I was getting heart palpitations and lots of fear. Like there was sweat and all means very negative thoughts, and I couldn't even eat my. It was a very anxious feeling. Even there was constant fear of death, which was running while before joining, and I was on medications for around 1.5 year in this process, and nothing was working out for me.
Okay. When you say like
Tried
how
to
was
change various medications.
okay.
Like it was just making me feel drowsy. Like tried various medicines, Patti. I tried Ayurvedic. I tried even allopathic medicines, but it for a while. But afterwards, the traumas used to repeat, and the attacks used to come again, and it used to come. Means it was like it didn't work out for me. It didn't suit me. Even I used to feel to take the allopathic medic, I would be in a drowsy state, like sleep medications. No? At that time, I used to be drowsy, and in the morning also I was not to feel. Means I was not feeling that good, and the attack thing used to come only. So it didn't help me out. Like I had tried everything, like thought of trying also, because I ran through a video Instagram, which was posted by Hemant Mahajan. So after hearing to him, I felt like this is the same situations which I am running through. I much about him, and I got to know that there are many other people like me who have suffered through this. So I thought of giving this one a try. Like I had tried so many things, so I thought, let's go for this also.
That's good.
Because the situation which we have faced in the anxiety, it was like I was feeling like let's try this thing also.
Yeah.
Like, yes, after joining Happy Living, I got the consultation from you. You have been really wonderful with me on this journey. Like the approach which you gave me in this, that helped me a lot. Like first of all, applying RRR technique, the to you, you gave a mindful approach towards it, or you gave your suggestions which helped me out anxiousness. Like this thing is like it's a fear, it's a fearful situation. If in case if we tell this to someone, the other person, he might be not understanding because he has not gone through this, or he doesn't know what is the situation like physical symptoms can be understood, but when it's to mental sense, they have not gone through that situation, and they are not able to give you the correct approach towards it. But there are full coaches like you, or the other people in this team. They can understand you better, and they can give you a correct approach, or how to give the correct approach to that. So and that helps in this journey.
That's
And
great.
because when I told myself that time only I could come out of that situation, because the uh, thing which runs in your mind, that if we don't communicate it to any other person, like it's being said, no, communicate what the journey is half done, like that thing
Yeah,
happened. So
true.
I feel, yeah.
How are you feeling now?
Yeah, I am feeling like I can say I have come 95% out of this
Okay.
situation.
Okay.
Like there are some things, but still I have got the courage to come out of that also. 100% that I will be out from the situation.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's
I would surely say that you should be living, because this platform and the team who is working on this are really very wonderful. And because the person running through this is only individually handling it, here you will get a team, a group of people who will know you, who will understand your problem better, because medication is not the solution to this problem. The solution and the best solution is the team who will take care of your um, problem, and they will know it better, they will give you the good solution, they will hear to you correctly, and they will give you a correct approach to solve your problem.
that's
I really
wonderful.
suggest that everyone who is facing that they should join Happy
Wow.
Living.
That's really great.